Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to completely remove and completely uninstall the Budgets plugin. So before start, you have to open your command line with Ctrl, Alt and T. I'm going to zoom it a little bit for you so it will be easier to see it. Sorry. Okay, so we have to change our directory to the core Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 5, and then the first step and first command that you have to execute is to downgrade your database for the Budgets plugin. So it is going to be done with the command bundle exec rake Redmine plugins name, and here in the name section you have to set the name of the plugin you are trying to uninstall, which in our situation is Redmine Budgets. Okay, so we continue version 0 Railsense production. Okay, so when we click enter, then the downgrading is in progress and it has just finished now. So we are done with this step. The next one is to remove the folder of the plugin itself. So as being the core Redmine folder, you have to execute remove forcibly and recursively the Redmine Budgets. Okay, and the very last step that you have to do is to just restart our Redmine with touch temporary restart point.txt. The restarting is needed, so all the changes that we have done are going to be applied. So the only way is via the restarting. Okay, so we go back into our Redmine and just refresh the page. Redmine needs some time to start again, and we will see if the budget plugin will disappear. Okay, so it has just disappeared now. So we have done our job successfully. We have removed the Budgets plugin from our Redmine. Okay, I'm glad to know that you have watched this video, and if you like it, you may check some other articles and videos from our documentation. So thank you very much for watching it, and bye bye for now.